Ramadan.
رمضان.
Ramadan is a holy month for Muslims. Fasting.
الصيام.
Fasting is an important part of Ramadan. Fast.
صوم.
Muslims fast from dawn to sunset. Suhoor.
السحور.
We wake up early to eat suhoor. Iftar.
الإفطار.
Families gather for iftar every evening. Dawn.
الفجر.
Muslims start fasting at dawn. Sunset.
غروب الشمس.
We break the fast at sunset. Mosque.
مسجد.
Many people go to the mosque during Ramadan. Prayer.
صلاة.
Muslims pray 5 times a day. Dua.
دعاء.
We make dua to ask Allah for help. Quran.
القرآن.
Muslims read the Quran in Ramadan. Charity.
الصدقة.
People give charity to help the poor. Zakat.
الزكاة.
Zakat is an important duty in Islam. Zakat al-Fitr.
زكاة الفطر.
Muslims give Zakat al-Fitr before Eid. Blessings.
بركات.
Ramadan is full of blessings. Faith.
الإيمان.
Ramadan makes our faith stronger. Patience.
الصبر.
Fasting teaches us patience. Worship.
عبادة.
Muslims increase worship in Ramadan. Forgiveness.
المغفرة.
We ask Allah for forgiveness. Mercy.
الرحمة.
Allah shows mercy to believers. Night prayer.
صلاة الليل.
Many Muslims perform night prayer. Tarawih.
صلاة التراويح.
Tarawih prayers are special in Ramadan. Laylat al-Qadr.
ليلة القدر.
Laylat al-Qadr is the most special night in Ramadan. Lantern.
فانوس.
Children love Ramadan lanterns. Dates.
تمر.
Many Muslims break their fast with dates. Water.
ماء.
We drink water after a long fast. Family.
العائلة.
Ramadan brings family together. Community.
المجتمع.
The community shares food during Ramadan. Tradition.
تقليد.
Iftar with family is a beautiful tradition. Celebration.
احتفال.
People feel joy and celebration in Ramadan. Eid.
العيد.
Muslims celebrate Eid after Ramadan. Eid al-Fitr.
عيد الفطر.
Eid al-Fitr is a happy day for Muslims. Crescent moon.
الهلال.
The crescent moon shows the start of Ramadan. Islamic month.
شهر إسلامي.
Ramadan is the 9th Islamic month. Spiritual.
روحاني.
Ramadan is a spiritual time. Gratitude.
الامتنان.
Ramadan teaches gratitude for food. Kindness.
اللطف.
People show kindness during Ramadan. Sharing.
المشاركة.
Sharing food is common in Ramadan. Helping.
المساعدة.
Helping others is very important in Ramadan. Donation.
تبرع.
Many people make a donation to charity. Food.
طعام.
Families prepare delicious food for iftar. meal,
وجبة.
Iftar is the evening meal in Ramadan. Kitchen,
مطبخ.
The kitchen is busy before iftar. Cooking,
الطبخ.
Many people enjoy cooking in Ramadan. Hungry,
جائع.
People feel hungry during fasting. Thirsty,
عطشان.
Sometimes we feel thirsty during the day. Break the fast.
كسر الصيام.
We break the fast with dates and water. Good deeds,
الأعمال الصالحة.
Muslims try to do many good deeds. Islamic culture,
الثقافة الإسلامية.
Ramadan is an important part of Islamic culture. Holy month,
الشهر المبارك.
Ramadan is a holy month for Muslims.